Hello, guys. Today we will show you how to use one power button to turn on and off both Efuse and ubox, or other VESC. Firstly, connect the Efuse with ubox firstly. Then connect the other end of Efuse with battery pack. Mostly, people will use two buttons like this way. You have to turn on Efuse first, then turn on the ubox. This is not so convenient. Nextly, I will show you how to use one power button to control both of them. Prepare a 3-pin cable like this one. Short the GND pin and switch pin in power button port in ubox. It's done. Let's try to see test result. Do you get it? Subscribe our channel to get more tips. See you.